Hey guys, Tudor here from TudorJonesBlog.com. Thank you for checking out the resources section. Now, you may or may not have heard of Builderall before. I just wanted to put this video together to explain just what Builderall is. Now, Builderall is essentially an all-in-one business platform, and no matter what kind of business you're running, no matter if you have an online or offline business, you could be running 4 or 5 businesses at the same time, and you can run them all using Builderall. Now, if you're going to follow what my training shows, and you're going to become an online marketer, and if you're very serious about doing this, there are certain tools that you're going to absolutely need. These include web builders, funnel builders, email autoresponders, domain hosting. Now, you can get all of these softwares from good, well-known, well-renowned companies online. These include ClickFunnels, Aweber, GetResponse. But the thing is with Builderall, you've got all of these tools under one platform, and it's for a fraction of the price that you would be paying with these other softwares. So Builderall is, in my opinion, a no-brainer. It's an all-in-one digital marketing toolkit. And not only that, it also has a video creator. It's got app builders, blog builders, it's got graphic design tools as well. I'm just going to show you around the actual Builderall software itself, so you can get a closer look at the tools and how it all works. Now here you've got the web builder. As you can see, they've got a lot of pre-made templates that you can simply just edit as you wish. You can kind of see how easy it is to create websites using Builderall. You can actually edit some of these pre-made websites and sell them on, for example. And you can edit these websites within the space of a few hours. I mean, it's a great platform. You've also got your autoresponder. You got your design studio. You've got your video creator. You've got your apps. You've got your app builder. It's got a Facebook chatbot, script generator. Literally everything that you need to set up your affiliate marketing business is all here inside of Builderall. Now, besides all of the great tools that Builderall provides, Builderall also has a great business opportunity. Now you can get paid affiliate commissions based on your sales within Builderall. The great thing about Builderall affiliate system is that you do get paid in 2-tier commissions. So when someone joins Builderall through you make 100% commissions for the first month. Then you make recurring monthly commissions through clients who join Builderall with you. And when those clients bring in someone new, you also make recurring commissions through their clients as well. So just to make it a bit clear for you, you get 100% commissions for the first month on the sales that you make. Then you make 30% commissions recurring every month when they pay their bill. And you also make 30% commissions on the people that join with them. And that's every single month. So you can see that this is going to really start adding up, especially when the affiliates who are below you begin to make sales. You'll see that you'll begin making a very nice, completely passive monthly income. So Builderall is where it's at, guys. I think it's the perfect platform for what what we're trying to achieve here. And if making money is the aim, then Builderall is where it's at. Now the pricing for Builderall is as follows. The web presence option is $9.90 per month. This means you can use Builderall's web builder to create your site only. Now the digital marketing option is $29.90 per month. This allows you to use all of Builderall's tools to run your business, create your website, your email autoresponder, and everything else. And finally, the Builderall business option is $49.90 per month. This is the one that allows you to use all of Builderall's tools, plus gives you the option of becoming an affiliate, meaning you can begin sponsoring new clients who pay you a monthly recurring fee. Now this really does allow you to maximize your overall earning potential, and I'd really recommend that you join up at this business level if you're serious about doing this. It can change your world, guys. Now if you do decide to join Builderall, I have a comprehensive training program that shows you how to use it A to Z, and once you join I will send you this training. Now below is your different funnels for joining Builderall at the different price ranges. I've included a 7-day free trial option. I've also included the $1 Million Challenge funnel, which is a really great funnel that you can use by using Facebook marketing. Okay guys, as always, any questions you can send me a message here or on Facebook. I'm at tudorjonesblog@gmail.com, and if there's anything you need, is there anything I can do to help you, just send me a message and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, thanks for listening. I'll hopefully speak to you soon. Take care.